I love fall recipes, not only for soup season, but for casserole season. Don't you? Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Let's make a Fiesta chicken casserole today. Sub this in for your Taco Tuesday.
All right, in a bowl goes some corn and some rinsed and drained black beans. I don't know why I'm mixing, it's 2 ingredients. We're gonna need a whole bunch of shredded chicken. In a pinch, guys, I know you can buy this already done up for you at the store, but if you're roasting a whole chicken, just pick off all those beautiful pieces. Let's switch camera angles because I can't hold the bowl and show you. We need to add probably about 6 or 7 spoonfuls of your favorite salsa, and I'm gonna use whipped cream cheese, the plain kind, about 3/4 of that tub. We are not measuring any shredded cheese here, so add as much as you want because cheese is the most beautiful ingredient and we need lots of it in this recipe. Give it a really good mixing, and then for some extra seasoning, add your favorite taco or fajita seasoning that you have in your pantry. And mix again. We don't want chunks of that seasoning in our mouth when we eat, so let's make sure that we give it a really good toss and stir. The final ingredient that we need here is corn chips. Give them a little bit of a break as you put them into the bowl and mix. You don't want to crumble them too much, but enough that, you know, they're gonna break anyways when you try mixing a whole chip in there. So it's just a matter of not making it a crumble. We want to mix that again really, really well before putting our casserole dish together. On the bottom of my pan, I'm also going to add a little bit of those chips just to keep things together. And everything we just put in that bowl goes in the casserole dish. You can use any casserole dish that you want. I like this one because it comes with a lid, so if I have leftovers, it's easy to store and I don't have to worry about extra dishes. You do also want to make sure that you even out the top and give it a little bit of a pat on top. Don't go too hard though. You want to make sure you leave a little bit of air and room in there for things to melt. And of course, more cheese. This is going to just make it pretty on top and give you that extra goo that everybody loves. Put this in the oven, 375 degrees for 18 minutes, and then this comes out.
Wasn't that easy? A bunch of ingredients all together, one dish, make it warm, make the cheese melt, and away we go. I love to serve this with sour cream, maybe a little extra salsa. I know there's some in there already, but homemade guacamole is a must. I hope you enjoyed this really delicious Fiesta chicken casserole recipe. Try it at home for yourselves, and get over to thesillikitchen.com if you need the recipe and you need ingredients or a reminder of what you need to go buy on your next shopping trip, and I will see you here next time. Till then.